even get to cross.
I just realized how much thicker your front tire is than your back tire. Watch for nails. Tire popping. Yay, we made it. Yeah. Oh crap, dude. Holy crap. You can't even look down now. I'm gonna take a look at Holy crap. We used to be able to walk down in that. Here, can you put my glasses in there back in that bag? I can't get it open here. Put it in there. Take it off. Can't. You can't be saying that I'm rich when you have freaking five freaking dirt bikes and a four-wheeler and a ginormous freaking house. We're not going down there.
I just want to see what's down there. It's good for the vlog.
All right, here we go. I told you. Okay, I have shared my location with you. Ooh, guys, that was crazy.
Alright, we just found some cool under a bridge. Dude, there's not even much under here. It's just dirt and whoa. Oh my gosh. Dude, what? Reed, come here. Yeah. Jeez. That was creepy. Holy. We went down that steep hill. That was really cool.
I just took a little break over at the park. Whee! Cameron, which way? Which way? Which way? Are we gonna go to our school or where? I see an opening in the gate. I'm gonna go there. Down there's Dodge. You wanna go there? No, we don't. Look. Okay, we're going this way, I guess. Okay, well, wait up, dude. We got on the fast train to New Jersey. Oh no, I ran him over. What? What? Okay.
And then they can hear me like a mic.
All right, but I thought that you're recording. That was awesome. I don't think you knew who I was. Are you calling me? I'm getting a call from Cameron.
No, there ain't no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I'll be moving fast. Call me a shooting star.